Nyeli, ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile, ọ dịazị ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị bụ Jesu.
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu, rịọbara ebe ndị nje arịrịọ, kịta na ọnwa anyị. Amen.
Okwu emela arụ,
O wee binyere anyị.
ekele Maria, Ijipte na Kraịstia,
Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please take like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Quickly. Right? It's also available at Saint Teresa's Catholic Church, Umunya. You can also find it at Saint Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. So check it out in those places. The person who broke the glasses didn't succeed. I fixed it. So that's just the thing. Make sure you achieve your goal. That's the message. No matter what is going on, make sure you achieve your goal. All those people who wants to get under your skin, don't allow them. Get to your destination. Lazy people are the ones looking for people to attack. Just do your thing, all right? Thank you. You're welcome.
Site obere nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Otu ọ dị n'etiti na kịta na ebo niile n'ụwa ebe amen.
Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga.
Site n'ekpere nke Chukwu ka ha zuru ike na ndokwa.
Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ.
Nọnyekwara mmụọ gị.
Ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ. Nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Amen.
Everyone at the FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On everyone at the 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on everyone at the 103.5 FM immediately after interview 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Everyone at the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for Radio Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Friday, the 3rd day of May, 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Soludo woo's wealthy individuals to key into sports development in Anambra. No policeman resigned in Abia over bad treatment, command insists. Uzodinma signs new law on Imo electricity. Yahoo. EFCC arrests 23 internet fraudsters in Ebonyi. Edo 2024, Abata touches base with Labour Party's Governor Oti in Omaya. Joe Biden calls U.S. allies India and Japan xenophobic. Now, details. Soludo woo's wealthy individuals to key into sports development in Anambra. Governor Chukwuma Soludo of Anambra State has challenged wealthy indigenes of the state to support the government's efforts in the development of sports for greater impact. Governor Soludo also tasked the Anambra State Sports Development Commission to engage in programs to woo wealthy individuals in the state to boost the sector. We want to produce more Olympians, again, such as Mary Onyare Omabemi, Innocent Ebunike, Beatrice Utondu, and others, he said. The governor, represented by his chief of staff, NS Ezaji, at the 2024 edition of the Anambra State School Sports Festival pre-competition briefing in Oka, acknowledged the abundance of sports talents in the state to achieve such a feat again, acknowledging the enormous benefits of the previous editions of the sports festival. The governor called on relevant stakeholders to key into sports projects in the state to achieve better results. Anambra State Commissioner for Youth Development, Patrick Ahamba, said the sports festival had reinvented talent hunts and showcased the state to the outside world. No policeman resigned in Abia over bad treatment, deceased. Abia State Police has denied a report credited to a police wireless signal dated April 26, 2024, where a policeman, Ugochukwu Nwaso, was reported to have tendered his resignation from the police force because of bad treatment response. The Abia Police Command said that police corporal who serves as Iziama Police Station is still in active service even as of May 1st, 2024. In a press release signed by ASP Maureen Chinaka on behalf of the Commissioner of Police on Thursday, Abia State Police Command described the wireless signal quoted on X as untrue, incorrect, and misleading. According to the Abia Police Command, they said the wireless signal is outdated and did not reflect the current situation. The Abia Police spokesperson who insisted that Corporal Nwosu is still in service challenged anyone with a contrary opinion to visit the Iziama Police Station Division to confirm it, that officer is still on duty or not. Uzodinma signs new law on Imo electricity. Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma on Thursday assented two executive bills into law, a bill on electricity and another to amend Imo State Polytechnic Law number 15 of 2012 to pave the way for the merger of campuses of the Polytechnic. The governor said signing the two bills into law became necessary to position Imo State on the path of sustainable development. He said that poor electricity generation and distribution have taken the shine off the development indices in Imo State and should not be allowed to continue. Governor Uzodinma therefore hinted that he had approached President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to allow the Imo State government to take over the Ebema power plant, a federal government project conceived under the Niger Delta Power Holding Company and abandoned in 2006. He said the president has graciously granted his request to take over the Ebema power plant, rehabilitating the facilities therein and rely on the same to solve the electricity challenges of the state in line with the president's renewed hope agenda. The governor said that he had visited the site with some experts, technical partners, and officials of government to assess the level of decay on ground, which will run into millions of dollars, and that the technical partners and the experts had also visited the 27 local government areas of Imo State to look at the connectivity aspects of the communities to the plant in question. Yahoo! EFCC arrests 23 internet fraudsters in Ebonyi. Operatives of the Enugu Zonal Command of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, have arrested 23 suspected internet fraudsters in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. The anti-graft agency said the suspects were arrested in the early hours of Thursday, May 2nd, 2024. They were arrested following actionable intelligence on their suspected involvement in internet-related fraudulent activities. Items recovered from them include one laptop and mobile phones. The EFCC added that the suspects will be charged to court as soon as investigations are concluded. Edo 2024, Akpata touches base with Labour Party's Governor Oti in Umuahia. A frontline governorship candidate in Edo State on the platform of the Labour Party, Barrister Olumide Osabwovo Akpata, on Thursday morning paid a courtesy visit to Abia State Governor Dr. Alex Oti in Umuahia. Oti caused an upset in the 2023 governorship election in Abia State by sinking the candidates of the People's Democratic Party, All Progressive Congress, and All Progressive Grand Alliance (APGA) in the election. While Oti's achievements in less than a year have clearly indicated his focus and determination to build a robust infrastructure development legacy statewide, Akpata, aka Oludi, who has his eyes sharply focused on Osadebe Avenue in Benin City, touched base with him in Umuahia, the Abia State capital, on Thursday. The former NBA president confirmed that he spent time with the governor to gain some valuable insight into his adept and utilitarian management of Abia State's public finance. Also, I spent quality time this morning in Omaha with my friend and brother, His Excellency Dr. Alex Uti, the governor of Abia State. Our meeting allowed me to bring him up to speed on the progress we've made so far in the upcoming Edo elections, following the official commencement of campaigns. I am grateful that we were both members of the Labour Party and enjoy a strong relationship. I fully intend to leverage these advantages when we eventually bat at Osadebe Avenue, the seat of government in Edo State, he said. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Joe Biden calls U.S. allies India and Japan xenophobic. U.S. President Joe Biden has called Japan and India xenophobic, grouping them together with Russia and China as countries that don't want immigrants. His criticisms of Japan comes just weeks after he called the U.S.-Japan alliance unbreakable during a state visit from Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. India is also a key U.S. partner, despite U.S. concerns about human rights and religious freedoms there. The White House says that Mr. Biden meant no offense to either country. Speaking to a predominantly Asian American audience at a campaign fundraising event on Wednesday evening, Mr. Biden said that the U.S. election this November was about freedom, America, and democracy. The BBC contacted the U.S. embassies of Japan, India, China, and Russia for comment, but did not receive an immediate reply. The comment, however, have drawn criticisms from U.S. commentators on X, formerly Twitter. Bridge Colby, a former U.S. Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense in the Trump administration, wrote that Japan and India are two of our very stoutest and important allies. We should speak to them with respect, which they command and deserve, he added. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Soludo's wealthy individuals to key into sports development in Anambra. No policeman resigned in Abia over bad treatment, command insists. Buzodema signs new law on Imo electricity. Yahoo, EFCC arrests 23 internet fraudsters in Ebonyi. Edo 2024, Abata touches base with Labour Party's Governor Oti in Omaha. Joe Biden calls U.S. allies India and Japan xenophobic. You just listened to news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good morning.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona the FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Government.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifan as number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Epona 103.5 FM as strict reports on foods in your face. On Emas and Ebona de corner 24/7, 24/7.
Shay, one them say no more. A problem is in about Igbo. Now Anambra State in a one of the local Jabana residency hotels, Leofino, Gidi. One night in a mature the month with the Manzo, one night if the Madea, one it's a better room I will join you. Where you see luxuriously furnished rooms and suites at the one neighbor at their kitchen. One never see if any women I can see if it is safe. Even at their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events from wedding down to birthday party, from a very, very clean swimming pool of one residency hotels, giving ordinary a very serene and secured environment at kilometer 13 Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotels Leofino Kidi. If I can ever not, they want more. Say no more.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebona 103.5 FM with Martin Ifan Shuku every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. Let's go! It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Ifan Shuku, aka Meta.
And Christy, Eminary, aka Classy.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember, check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifan Shuku. It's all right. Make sure you keep to your goal. And don't let everybody derail you from getting to where you need to get to. No matter the distractions, just stay on your path. All right. Then remember also that this book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, you can find it at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Umunna. It is also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. So go check it out. All right. Thank you. You rock.